What's going on, guys? Mr. Crazy1870 giving you guys a quick sound test of the iDM15. Now these are portable Bluetooth speakers, so I am all set up and ready to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and play a couple tracks. Now hopefully you could get a small amount of an idea of the sound quality that these portable speakers are gonna give you.
Lego, 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 bow, bow, bow. Rock with your boy. Gon' rock with your boy. Hey, 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 C6, I can spit lyrical, flowing like a spirit do. Attitude imperial, my minions will get rid of you till your body's minuscule. I pity the pitiful, I'm illy, you're really screwed like a toolkit. I'm a beast in the cow, call me full pit. You can leak like a frog in the Chex Mix, cause I eat rappers like it's a fetish. Call this red rum, I kill everything, married to the game, no wedding ring. Please put me in your CD-ROM. She's gonna be T3.com. Niggas know that I blow up like I'm the bomb. Stop it, copy that, roger that, kill him like a Tommy Cat. Niggas know I bring it back like thinking cats. I got money, ain't nothing funny. Kill the town, call it Al Bundy. All I do is stunt, man. All I do is stunt, man. Put you in the garbage can. You niggas is trash, man. I ain't cursing, but what's worse is that I'm lyrical. Niggas, I bring miracles. Niggas be like, here he goes.
So that was just a quick sound demo of the iDM15s. Hopefully this helped you get a pretty good idea of the audio quality that these portable Bluetooth speakers are going to give you. Please be on the lookout for the full review. It will be coming soon. So go ahead and drop me your comments down below, letting me know what you think about the audio quality. Don't forget to check out my Battlefield 3 unboxing. Also take a quick look at some Battlefield 3 gameplay. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.